Hey tech lovers! Amazon just unleashed a game changer that's shaking up the AI world. Meet Nova Premier, their most powerful AI model yet, and it's ready to redefine what's possible. You need to know about this. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech scoops. Imagine an AI that can tackle complex tasks, generate stunning images, and even train smaller AIs for your smart devices, all faster and smarter than ever. Amazon's Nova Premier is here, and we've got the full breakdown from their latest reveal. Let's jump in. Nova Premier is Amazon's most advanced AI model, launched on May 1st, 2025, and it's a beast. According to AWS, it's built for deep context understanding, multi-step planning, and handling text, images, and videos like a pro. Whether you're a developer or a business, this AI can process massive datasets and coordinate tools for next-level results. Think writing reports, designing visuals, or even automating workflows all in seconds. Sources say it's perfect for intricate tasks, and it's already making waves in the industry. Drop AI revolution in the comments if you're hyped. Here's where it gets wild. Nova Premier isn't just a powerhouse, it's a teacher. It uses a technique called model distillation to train smaller, super efficient AI models. It's reported that this lets businesses run advanced AI on low-power devices, like your smartwatch or home assistant, without needing a supercomputer. Imagine smarter Alexas or IoT devices that think faster and use less energy. This could change everything from homes to factories. Are you ready for AI everywhere? Tell us in the comments. Nova Premier isn't just another AI, it's Amazon's big swing at rivals like OpenAI and Meta's Llama 4. Users are calling it their most capable model yet, built to outshine in speed and accuracy. With AWS backing it, developers worldwide are already buzzing about its potential. This could redefine AI apps in 2025. Want to know more? Check out our full article on GadInsider.com. That's the lowdown on Amazon's Nova Premier, the AI set to dominate 2025. From smarter devices to creative breakthroughs, it's a tech revolution. Love this? Smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and join the GadInsider squad.